How to remove audio from Instagram post. If you added music to a photo or a group of photos and now want to remove it, you can do so with a simple process. First, open the Instagram app and tap on your profile icon at the bottom right. Locate the post that has music attached to it and tap on it. You will see the song displayed at the top. To remove the song, tap on the 3 lines in the top right corner of your profile. Scroll down until you find the section labelled Creator Tools. Under this section, tap on Branded Content. If you see an option that says you are eligible for branded content, you may need to enable the Branded Content tools. This allows you to use the paid partnership label, which will help you remove the song from your post. Once you have enabled branded content, go back to your profile and open the post again. Tap on the 3 dots in the top right corner of the post. You should now see an option for Partnership Label and Ads. Tap on it and toggle on the Add Partnership Label option. After enabling the partnership label, the song will no longer play when someone views your post. That is how you can remove music from your Instagram post.